Are you experiencing computer issues, or your computer is just running slow and you need to put new Windows on? Or does that old computer just not want to turn on, but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars to get a new one? Well, then this ad is definitely for you, so make sure you listen up. Contact Robert Alexander today. He is a certified Windows computer technician located in the heart of Brockville, Ontario, Canada. He does a phenomenal, excellent job at a super affordable price. So don't throw that computer away just because it's slow, because my guy, Robert Alexander, will make it feel brand new again in a jiffy. Make sure you contact him today, 613-349-6111. That's 613-349-6111, or make sure you check out his Facebook page, Help Computer Brockville.